This Rubik's Cube only has one color. Many people assume that this would be easy or pointless, but nothing could be further from the truth. This is the Mirror Cube, and instead of solving it by color like Rubik's Cube, you solve it by the shape and sizes of the pieces. Just how insane does this look? This may seem really hard at first, but it's actually the same exact process as solving a normal Rubik's Cube, except this robot is a Rubik's Cube. Most people would assume that this would be very difficult or impossible, but nothing could be further from the truth. This is the AxMars Cube. It's a $100 Rubik's Cube that can solve itself. And is it worth $100? Well, these are features featuring from cool to absolutely insane. First of all, you can solve it. I mean, duh, it's a Rubik's Cube, but it can also teach you how to solve it. Are you still not impressed? Well, guess what? This Rubik's Cube can solve itself. And also roll around in a ball. But if you're still not impressed, the best thing about this Rubik's Cube is that it can play Jingle Bells. Let's make it a 1700. This is Minecraft, and this is a Rubik's Cube, and this is a Minecraft Rubik's Cube. And this is a working clay Rubik's Cube that used clay. Before it looked like this, and after it looked like this. It took the YouTube creator Wuzu Clay many hours to complete this, with the sides including a mushroom biome, a plains biome, an end biome, 1.17 cliffs biome, and many other really cool. And if this video gets 1,000 likes, then I'll try to buy it. But at least now you know that. This is an $80 Rubik's Cube, but is it worth it? This is the Game 13 Maglev, one of the best Rubik's Cubes on the market that has set many world records, and is some of the best turning ever on a cube. But is it worth a ginormous price of $80? Well, if you're trying to get the literal best times possible, then yes. But if you don't have $80 laying around and you're pretty into cubing, then I'd go with the cheaper option. But I guess now you know if you want to get. This is the world's smallest Rubik's Cube in existence, and this is the world's largest Rubik's Cube. And which one's cooler? Okay, this is the Cube Lab 1 cm, and this is a, well, 1 centimeter or 0.039 inch Rubik's Cube. I totally didn't have to look that up. Anyways, and this is, it's not great. 5 out of 10 coolness ratings. I'm probably gonna lose. But is it better than the world's
largest Rubik's Cube in existence?
Okay, this is a 30 centimeter or 12 inch Rubik's Cube, which is 30 times the size of the previous Rubik's Cube. Just one piece of this cube is the size of an average Rubik's Cube. Yeah, this is 9 out of 10. This is sick. This is the Gan 3 Smart Cube, and it's a Rubik's Cube that can track your moves. And this is 5 of the most insane features about the i3. Since it can track your moves with insane precision, it saves all the solves you've done and allows you to play them back. And because it connects to your phone, you can battle with people on the other side of the planet. And this isn't just a normal cube case, just like your earbuds. It charges the cube up to 8 times, and even will come with a phone stand. And if you're not amazed yet, now you will be. This is the GAN robot, and it can solve the cube for you. So if you're not that smart, then just get this one. But my favorite feature about the $60 cube is this is Minecraft, and this is a Rubik's Cube, and this is a Rubik's Cube in Minecraft. In January 29th of 2022, popular YouTuber Momo Jump uploaded a YouTube video titled "I made a working Rubik's Cube in Minecraft." The very first version was uploaded by Rage Plays Games just a few months earlier, and they both used the Creator one of the best and funnest Minecraft mods, and add some really cool mechanics to Minecraft. And in my opinion, this may be one of the best Minecraft builds ever. But the most insane thing is,